At Claro, we have a range of CNC milling technology, so we can meet your requirements for prototypes, small batches or medium to high volume. 5-axis technology is ideal for your more complex requirements. The ability to complete your parts in 2 settings helps to ensure the repeatable accuracy of your parts. Our 5-pallet horizontal offers you accuracy and repeatability at a very commercial cost on your medium and high volume repeating requirements. Continuous investment in technology enables Claro to meet your need for complex parts in materials ranging from aluminium, plastics to stainless steel, super duplex and titanium.